Idineklarang sufficient informed ng House Committee on Justice ang ikatlo at ikaapat na impeachment complaint sa inihain ng religious groups at abogado na si Nathaniel Cabrera laban kay VP Inday Sara Duterte. Ginawa ni Committee Chair Batangas Representative Jervil Luistro ang deklarasyon makaraang walang ni isang mambabatas ang tumutol sa mosyon. Ayon kay Luistro, tatalakayin ng komite kung sufficient in substance din ang mga naturang reklamo mula ngayong araw mula ngayong araw na ito, March 3. Samantala, isinasantabi naman ng Justice Panel ang unang impeachment complaint na inihain ng Makabayan na Coalition laban kay VP Sara dahil sa umano'y paglabag nito sa one-year prohibition rule. Habang ang ikalawang reklamo naman ay una ng binawi ng mga complainant para suportahan ang ikatlong reklamo na idineklara na sufficient nga inform.
There is a motion to declare the third impeachment complaint sufficient in form. Do I hear a second? Is there any objection? Hearing none. The chair declares the third impeachment complaint, that is Father Zabalia et al. Impeachment complaint, sufficient in form. So ruled.
Hinimok
The
naman
chair is now ready to hear the motion on the fourth impeachment complaint. The Honorable Padiernos.
Madam Chair, I move to declare the fourth impeachment complaint as sufficient in form.
There is a motion to declare the fourth impeachment complaint, that is Cabrera impeachment complaint, sufficient in form. Do I hear a second? The same has been seconded. Is there any objection? Hearing none. The chair declares the fourth impeachment complaint, that is Cabrera impeachment complaint, sufficient in form. So ruled.